Hey, what's up everybody? It's Stacey Storino. Welcome back to my channel, the number one place for entrepreneurs who want their content marketing to convert content consumers into paying customers. If you've been posting content to the TikTok platform and you're asking yourself, can you embed links in a TikTok video? Well, this is the video for you. We're going to talk all things links in TikTok in a global sense, but I'll also have perhaps some surprising advice waiting for you at the end of this video that some of my thousands of students have fought me on in the past. But they've come to learn that 9 times out of 10, my advice did turn out to be right after all. But wait, before we go any further, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to get the help that entrepreneurs like you need to succeed with content marketing that drives traffic to your business so that you can do more business. Now, if you haven't watched my recent video, How to Find TikTok Trends as an Older Person, you should go check that video out after watching this one because I give you the inside scoop as to how to discover what's hot in pop culture on the app, even if you're older and you feel overwhelmed and you don't know where to go. And we discuss how to create content that does feel like you and your brand no matter what. So be sure to check that other video out. But while you're here and you're wondering specifically about can you embed links in a TikTok video, let me give you the short answer. The short answer is no, not yet can anyone and everyone put links directly into their videos themselves. Hold on, you know that things are changing soon on TikTok. Why? There's already a program that's gone through some beta testing and has allowed some creators on the TikTok platform to sell their products, more specifically their merch or merchandise through a company like Teespring. And for the thousands of creators who are in beta testing, they can create videos with a product linked in there. And when a viewer goes to that video, they can see a translucent gray box with a shopping bag icon on it that links directly with the product in the Teespring store. This is much different than having someone visit the link in bio that can lead to one's Teespring shop. Because yes, as you may or may not know, you're allowed one live clickable link already, but it's in your bio only. Very similar to how things are for all creators or users on the Instagram app. The difference here would be that if someone clicked on the gray box with the shopping bag icon on it in a TikTok video, they'd have a page open to the store directly in app or within TikTok, instead of clicking on the link in bio and taking them to the store, but outside of the app on an external page on the web. So that capability is coming to everyone down the line. You just have to wait until it's rolled out to everyone. Right now, only influencers that are huge, like my 7-figure success client, Joe's Dairy Bar and Grill, who currently have nearly 750,000 followers or fans on TikTok, could be eligible to receive a private invitation to beta test in-video links to sell products via Teespring. As of right now, this is by invitation only, and you have to, as a TikTok creator, meet eligibility criteria around the amount of followers that you have and the content you produce. But then there's one link everyone gets, which is the link in bio. You can have a live clickable link in bio, and that's on top of being able to add your Instagram account and your YouTube account to your profile too. So guess what? You don't have to link to either of those things for the one link currently everyone or most everyone has access to in their TikTok bio. But please note, you have to have a business account in order to be able to enjoy this feature. Getting one is easy, free, and provides you with great analytics that actually even beat out apps like Instagram, at least for now. So if you're interested in how to go about changing over to a business account, check out my recent video, What Metrics Can Be Measured on TikTok. But here's the deal. When it comes to which link you'd put in that private profile, to my mind, it's not what you think it should be. So bring on the controversial advice. You'd likely think that the link you add in the bio should be to your website, but I don't think that's your best choice. You see, I think that it should be a link to your email opt-in form. And the line of text that goes right above what's going to be the hyperlink in your bio should give a short call to action about why someone wants to click that link in your bio. Is it to opt in for a coupon off their next purchase from you? Is it to get a freebie otherwise that they really could use? To my mind, I'd rather capture the lead, and once someone's added themselves to my email list, the email that they get providing them with the coupon or the freebie or what have you will definitely contain also a link to the store or shop or website where they can buy from my business, learn more about my business, etc. If you use a link expander in that one link you currently get in your bio on TikTok, to my mind, that's as much of a mistake as just sending someone directly to your website. Either way, someone can go to your website, get distracted and leave, or get overwhelmed by everything on your website for whatever the reason, and they're gone. If you didn't capture the lead first before just sending them to your website, then you run the risk of the person visiting your website and then just being gone, and you'll never be able to track who specifically visited, so there may be no way of getting them back. Same thing with a link expander, like Linktree. It's like your visitor is being sent to a mini website of yours, where your email opt-in form might just be one of the many options they can choose. And then they get distracted, overwhelmed, and leave, and then whoops, there's another person you can't really track down. Capture the lead by enticing them to opt in with a goodie or a coupon. And if they're happy to get on your email list, you can market to them over and over again. And as long as you're providing value and offers that they appreciate, they'll stay on the list. Email marketing has an ROI or return on investment that even in 2021 ranks as high as 4,200%. So why not capture the lead and strike while the iron's hot, right? Your bio has just one job, and whether it's on Instagram or TikTok, that's to capture the lead so you can increase your sales. You want to share a blog or a YouTube video with them? Great. Forget your link expanders. Send them links to those things in your emails to your email list instead. Just capture the lead with that one link that you can get for now. And down the road, we're all going to be able to link to things in our videos too. Such great things are ahead on TikTok. Let me know in the comments section down below. Do you agree with my advice? Are you excited about links to merch in your store? Let me know. I read my comments and I just might reply back. There you have it. This is my answer when it comes to answering the question of, can you embed links in a TikTok video? Need more help? Be sure to watch, to check out these two awesome videos too, because they'll teach you great content marketing strategies that can also help to blow up your business. Enjoy.